You say an apple? Can you say apple again, Jenny Ray?
Apple.
Yeah, apple. You're so good at that. Can you say amen?
Amen.
Oh, I love your amen. It's so sweet. Can you say it again? Amen.
Amen.
I love it. How about dog? There goes some apple. I thought you took kind of a big bite of that. You're smiling at Daddy. Is Daddy making faces? Daddy's making faces at you, isn't he? Are you saying no more faces? You like to make faces, Daddy makes. Oh, she's wanting to give that to you, I think, hon.
Thank you.
Apple.
You can see a viral cheese cracker on the end of it.
You like feeding Daddy, huh? You like feeding Daddy. Well, you're going to be 1 year old in 1 year old in just a few days, huh?
What?
You going to give Daddy your spoon? This girl can eat. Can you take that apple off her chest, please? Thank you.
She's got a chip on her shoulder. She's got an apple on her shoulder.
Just love to feed Daddy.
Oh, I don't want you to eat all your apple. What? What?
What is it, Jenny Ree? Oh, it's time to get out of the high chair. Okay. Bye-bye.